Yes guys, welcome to my channel. It's me, Madam Hayete. I'm here now in Hillsong Stadium, Sydney, Australia. Yan. Guys, andito po tayo. So mamaya papasok po tayo sa loob and then we're going to see how they deliver the gospel songs na madalas ko rin pong kinakanta sa aking live streaming. And I'm gonna show you later, guys. And I'm so happy and at saka very excited to share with you guys na hindi lang sa YouTube ko na siya nakikita kundi in person mapupuntahan na natin, guys. And I'm so happy to share with you guys. So, see you. So, ayan guys, you see? Yan, nandito na ako. Yung pinapangarap ko lang na sana mapuntahan ko. Yan, sa Born Again Church, Jesus Hope for Humanity. And this was here in Australia, Sydney, guys. Yan, kung saan, dito rin po, stay ang kuya ko with his family. Yan. So, andito tayo ngayon, you know. Yan, explore ko sa ng konti sa labas ng stadium nila. Yan, it's so nice. And I'm gonna say that this is Australia. Yes guys, ang tawag nito? Aliwalas ang place. Walang masyadong tao, not crowded. O, ganun lang. Very simple. Diba? Parang, eto lang. This is Australia, sabi nga nila. That's cool. Ayan. Wala akong masay. Wala akong masay. Ayan. O, diba? Wala ka makita mga tao. In fairness. Meron ka makita pero isa-isa lang. Ayan. Diba? Napakanit. Napakaganda. Really. You see, guys? Now, pangarap ko lang. Now, I'm here already inside. Wow. This is amazing. Really, really amazing, guys. Oh my God. Now I'm here. Oh my God. Really, I'm here. Mag-start pa lang naman siya, guys. Where is my kuya? Telepono yung Samsung. Si Kuya Samsung, iPhone. Ito, iPhone na din.